Hi guys, so today I thought I'd show you how to make this super simple cute little heart. How cute is that? It's about, let me see, get my ruler, about 1.5 inches by 2 inch, well I guess 2 inch by 2 inch basically. Cute little heart, ideal for Valentine's Day crafting. Add into greeting cards, make some decoration bunting, add to a hat or ear warmers, purse, even sew onto a pocket of your jeans or a jacket, anything. Super cute and super fast. Okay, in this you're going to need to know how to do a magic circle, which is where we start in the center. How to chain, how to do double crochet, how to do triple crochet, and how to fasten off in a slip stitch, which I have videos for all of those if you want to check those out first in my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. I'm using a worsted weight yarn with a 5mm hook, which is what's recommended for the yarn. You can use any size you want, but if you go up a hook size, the looser your stitch and bigger your stitch is going to be with this yarn. I recommend a 5 or a 4.5 depending on your tension, and of course some scissors and a tapestry needle for weaving in your end. So I'm going to do a magic circle. Not going to go into great detail on how to do all of those on here. As I said, I have videos for those. And then chain 3. I'm always clumsy when I'm doing my first chain 3. There we go. Now we're going to be working into the magic circle here, and we're going to be doing 3 triples, which is yarn over twice, insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It's 1 triple. 2 more. Yarn over twice into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, 1 more. Yarn over twice into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 3 triples. Now 3 double crochets. Just yarn over once, pull through 2, 2. That's 1, 2, 3. Now chain 1, and now we're going to do 1 triple, yarn over twice, insert to magic circle. Please excuse my washing machine in the background, it needs leveling. Chain 1, and now we're going to replicate this backwards, so 3 double and 3 triple. I'm just tighten up my loop a little bit. So 3 doubles, 1, 2, 3. See how it's already starting to kind of take on that shape. That triple, the chain 1, triple, chain 1 helps to do the point of the heart. Okay, 3 triples, 1, 2, 3. Now pull your magic circle closed. See? Now chain 3, and then we're going to slip stitch into the center magic circle to finish off the shape. Okay, now we're going to fasten off. So yarn over, pull through, cut your yarn, and then pull all the way through. And there we go. 1 heart. And then you're going to weave in your ends back and forth, always back and forth so it doesn't come undone. Or if you want to leave this on to attach it to a chain that you make for bunting or onto a keychain or just to sew it onto whatever you're going to attach it to, this is ideal. Just cut it a little bit longer than what I did and then use that to sew it onto what you want to put it onto. But that's cute and super fast. What did that take me? About 3 minutes. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more. Bye!